Okay, we have an American heavy-duty engine lathe, model style F, serial number 78388. This machine was new in 1968. We're gonna run it for you. You have 30-inch swing by 120-inch centers. All right, we're going. You have from 18 to 1200 RPM. It's got a brake. It's going a bit faster. You have a Sony 2-axis digital readout, taper turning attachment. You do have an Aloris tool post, 2 steady rests. Okay, going a little bit faster. You have 8 and 14-inch capacity on those steady rests. Machine is nice and smooth. You have a live center also in the tailstock. The chuck on the machine right now is a 24-inch 4-jaw CUSHMAN chuck. We also have a 15-inch 3-jaw buck chuck that goes with it. Going quite a bit faster. He's feeding it longitudinally. You can see it on the Sony 2-axis DRO. That's the cross feed, also on the Sony DRO. Reversed it from the carriage and reversed the longitudinal feed from the carriage. That's your rapid traverse. You have 4-way rapid. Unbelievable. Machine also does have a thread dial indicator. All right, he's engaging the lead screw. And we're going to thread. He's threading. Okay, in your tailstock, you have a number 5 Morse taper, heavy duty, 12-inch travel. Big heavy bed. Again, you do have a taper turning attachment on the back. This machine is 40 horsepower. 40. We're going to take it up fast. This is American. I think enough said. Thank you.